Welcome to Garage Lab. Today we will see how we can use WP Mikrotik for hotspot using. So let's go to our product page to view the plugin WP Mikrotik. You can easily manage your routers with your WordPress site by using our WP Mikrotik plugin. Using this plugin, you can easily customize your hotspot users for restaurant, hotel, hospital, dormitory, and any places. You can easily monitor, configure, report your hotspot users without any complexity. You don't need to have Linux knowledge to manage your hotspot user anymore. To view the documentation, go to documentation. Here you will go to the hotspot user section. It is very simple to create a hotspot user. Just go to the WP Mikrotik and click the add hotspot link. It will bring the hotspot user and you will enter the name, password, MAC address, profile, address, comment, email, limit bytes in, bytes out, total, limit, uptime, route, server, all the necessary information. All the descriptions are here. You can easily find the descriptions here. The name is the hotspot username, and it is used when you can use the MAC address authentication when you use MAC address as authentication. Enter the user password, MAC address, specify if you use the MAC address, then this user will bind to the specific MAC address. Profile, enter the user profile you configured in your MikroTik router, and the address is the IP address, and when you specify, the client will get the address from the hotspot one-to-one NAT translations. The comment is the descriptive information of the hotspot user. Email is the hotspot client email address. Limits bytes in. This is the maximum amount of bytes that a user will be received. User will be disconnected when the limit is reached. And limits bytes out is the maximum amount of bytes that can be transmitted from the user. User is disconnected from the hotspot after the limit is reached, and the bytes total is the in plus out combination, the total value, and the user disconnected from hotspot after the limit is reached. The limit uptime is the time frame for hotspot client. User is disconnected from hotspot as soon as uptime is reached. The routes is the hotspot gateway when the client is connected. Server is hotspot server. So this is the hotspot, how you can create a hotspot from our WP plugin. Let's see the hotspot user statistics report. In our plugin, you need to go to WP Mikrotik, then the hotspot user. There you will see the full report of the hotspot, and in this report you will see the name of the hotspot user, the password, the IP address, the comment you just entered, and the hotspot email, the limit bytes in of the maximum amount the user is received from the MikroTik, and the bytes out is the amounts of bytes transmitted from the MikroTik user. The total is the summation of the bytes in and bytes out, and the uptime is how long the uptime is running. So these are the information. To enable and disable a MikroTik user, just hover over the name column, then you will see the enable button or disable button. If you want to enable that user, just click the enable, so that user will be enabled. If you disable it, just click the disable button. So these are the simple configuration. And let's see our hotspot report in action. Here is the detailed hotspot user list. You see lots of user information are here, and the columns are here, so you can easily find the information here. If you hover over the name column, you will see the enable and disable options. You can click the enable option or you can click the disable option. They will act accordingly. And to add a hotspot, you can go to the hotspot add form, and here is all the necessary field you need to enter. So this is a very helpful plugin, WP Mikrotik. Hope you will be benefited from using this plugin. So thanks for now. Bye.